Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, 97 Tejas jet order. In a major milestone for India's defense self-reliance, the IAF and HAL have finalized the details of a highly anticipated order of 97 additional light combat aircraft Tejas. This deal, valued at approximately 66,000 crores, comprises 68 single-seater Tejas Mk1A fighter jets and 29 twin-seater Tejas trainers, all upgraded to the advanced Mk1A standard, unlike the 18 Tejas trainers previously delivered under the Mk1 configuration. These 29 new trainers will feature the same cutting-edge avionics, including the actively electronically scanned array radar, that is ESA radar, ensuring uniformity across the fleet for enhanced training and operational synergy. Next, Dassault Aviation pitches advanced Rafale F4.1 variant to India. In a strategic move to deepen defense ties with India, French aerospace giant Dassault Aviation is offering the Indian Air Force its latest Rafale F4.1 variant, packed with cutting-edge upgrades designed to meet the evolving demands of modern warfare. This proposal comes amid ongoing discussions for additional Rafale acquisition under the multi-role fighter aircraft program, which seeks 114 advanced jets to bolster India's squadron strength. The F4.1, an enhanced iteration of the Rafale F4 standard already exported to nations like the UAE, promises superior performance in detection, electronic warfare, resilience, and pilot assistance through artificial intelligence, positioning it as a game changer for the IAF's operational capabilities. Next, Indian Navy eyes entry into HLFT-42 program. In a potential boost to India's indigenous aerospace ambition, the Indian Navy is reportedly keen to join the HLFT-42 program, a next-generation supersonic lead-in fighter trainer primarily designed for the IAF. According to sources, the Navy's interest stems from its future procurement plans for the twin-engine deck-based fighter jet, which will demand advanced twin-seater trainers to prepare pilots for carrier-based operations. The HLFT-42, a 16.5-ton twin-seater aircraft envisioned for post-2030 induction, not only bridges the gap between basic trainers and frontline fighters but also doubles as a combat-capable jet during wartime. Unveiled at Aero India 2023, the program, initiated in 2017, has been refinements based on IAF's feedback, including redesign for enhanced avionics and potential roles as a mothership for unmanned systems. Next, IAF likely to prefer Astra Mk2 and Mk3. The French defense industry is actively pitching the next generation Mica NG, that is missile, the interception, the combat, the auto defense, nouvelle generation air-to-air missile for India's Rafale fleet. The missile, designed to replace the current Mica RF-11 IIR variant, promises enhanced range and performance, but the Indian Air Force faces a strategic choice as it advances its indigenous missile programs. These figures remain unclosed. French sources claim the Mica NG will deliver approximately 40% more range compared to the current Mica 60 to 80 kilometer envelope. This would place the missile's reach in the 84 to 112 kilometer bracket, roughly on par with India's homegrown Astra Mk1 missile. Next, Scalp EG uses 1970s turbojet. The French origin Scalp EG air-launched cruise missile ALCM in service with the Indian Air Force Rafale fleet is powered by the micro-turbo TRI-60 turbojet engine. This engine, producing 5.3 kN of thrust, was originally developed in the 1970s, making it a decades-old technology that continues to serve effectively in modern precision strike systems. By contrast, India only possesses the 4.5 kN small turbofan engine, that is STFE in short, an indigenous turbofan engine developed by the Gas Turbine Research Establishment. Despite being more advanced than the older turbojet architecture of the TRI-60, the STFE has yet to be harnessed for a stealthy long-range air-launched cruise missile program. Next, India's clandestine stealth UCAV FUFA. In a bold leap toward futuristic air combat, the IAF is collaborating with ADE under the DRDO to develop the futuristic unmanned fighter aircraft, a stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed to infiltrate deep into enemy airspace. FUFA integrates artificial intelligence and long-range air-to-air missiles, offering a transformative capability to dominate contested environments without risking human pilots. FUFA is a twin-engine, low-observable UCAV engineered for high-speed air-to-air combat in hostile territories. Its tailless flying wing design, revealed through a CGI image, minimizes its radar cross-section using radar-absorbent materials and internal weapons base, enabling it to evade advanced air defense systems like China's HQ-9 or Russia's S-400. Unlike traditional UAVs, FUFA is optimized for engaging enemy fighters, AWACS, and refuelers, making it a critical asset for missions along the line of control or line of actual control. Next, Indian Army and IAF collaborate to develop indigenous air-to-surface missile for HALE MALE UCAVs. Indian Army and Indian Air Force are jointly pursuing the local development of an advanced air-to-surface missile tailored for high-altitude long endurance, medium-altitude long endurance, and unmanned combat aerial vehicles. This initiative, aligned with the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision, aims to create a lightweight missile weighing 10 to 15 kg, featuring 1 to 2 kg warhead within a length of 1.5 to 2 meters. The missile is designed to engage a diverse array of targets, including Class A vehicles with rolled homogeneous armor penetration up to 700 mm, radars, soft skin targets, troops, bunkers, ammunition dumps, gun positions, logistics, and communication nodes. Next, developed indigenous quads. In a significant stride towards self-reliance in defense technology, the DRDO Research and Development Establishment, a premier laboratory under India's DRDO, has successfully developed an advanced quartz cyanate ester composite radome to replace costly imported alternatives. This cutting-edge radio frequency transparent structure, designed to house and protect active electronically scanned array radars on fighter jets, is now ready for mass production with the DRDO's open technology transfer. Next, securing the MCA's radar cross-section. India's ambitious advanced medium combat aircraft, a fifth generation stealth fighter under development by the Aeronautical Development Agency and HAL, represents a cornerstone of the IAF's modernization strategy. Designed to compete with advanced platforms like China's Chengdu J-20 and the US F-35, the AMCA's stealth capabilities, defined by its low radar cross-section, and are critical to its operational effectiveness. Next, first indigenous 3D naval radar will be a game changer. In a landmark achievement for India's defense sector, Tata Advanced Systems Limited, in collaboration with Spanish defense technology giant Indra, has successfully manufactured, delivered and commissioned the first 3D air surveillance radar, Lanza, and aboard an Indian Navy warship. The milestone, announced on September 11th, marks the first time an Indian company has built and integrated a next-generation naval surveillance radar, showcasing a significant leap in India's pursuit of self-reliance. With a range of 470 km against fighter jets, even in adverse conditions, and the capabilities to provide precise 3D target coordinates, the Lanza N radar is poised to transform the Indian Navy's maritime surveillance and combat capabilities. Thank you.